Hey, it's Andrea, and I'm going to give you a tour of my room 123 22A on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. As we enter the room, to the right is the bathroom. It's really nice and spacious. As soon as you enter, you have your shower. You have your rain shower, and then you can use your handheld shower. I prefer the rain shower. And of course, you have your body wash, your conditioner, and your hair wash. You also have, on the other side, your toilet, which is also nice and spacious. You have your towel racks and a nice space underneath to put your toiletries or whatever it is that you might bring from home. You can also store them above on the sink, like I have mine. It's really nice. This is the Sea Terrace XL, so it's a little bit bigger than a Sea Terrace. As I go into the room, you have your ice bucket, and they give you water twice a day. They don't have bottled waters, but they will fill this twice a day. Since I like a lot of ice, they gave me this chest, and they fill it every night so I can have ice in my room. And here you have the phone, and this is where this is the tablet that you can control pretty much everything in your room. If you hit TV, you can control the TV to turn on and off. And also, you can select whatever movies that you're interested in watching. And you can also watch the news if you're interested. And you have a desk if you have to work. You can put your laptop and things like that here. Also, they have some space where if you want to sit, you can sit on a little sofa. And to the right is a closet. It's a really nice big closet. Here's your safe. And they have several storage units where you can put your clothes. I pack and I use packing cubes. So I just take the cubes from my suitcase and put it right inside the drawer space. And this is the closet. And here's the bed. The bed is super spacious. This is king, but you can also change it. They can split this in half so that you can make it 2 beds. I believe you can move this and turn the bed this way into a T shape. So if you don't want to share the bed, you can split it into a T. I did that last time I was here with my roommate. And so here we go. Housekeeping does an amazing job in coming in and keeping the room clean so that when we come back, our room is super clean. I wish I had this at home. And of course, the balcony. One of the reasons why I love cruising. That's the infamous red hammock that Virgin Voyages is famous for. And I could sit in here all day and just watch this amazing view from my room. So we're somewhere in the middle of somewhere, but the view is amazing. I'm at the front end of the ship. It's the forward aft. So I have a pretty decent view. Anywhere you stay is a great view, unless you have an inner cabin. And right there is where they sail. That's where the captain is sailing this ship. So this is my room, my cabin, my balcony for the week. I wish I could have another couple weeks on this ship. I'll probably book another vacation soon on the Virgin Voyages. If you're interested in sailing on Virgin Voyages, please contact me at 202-600-6866 or you can go to my website, vacationadvertiser.com, and check out all the different specials that I have, not only for Virgin Voyages, but for other vacations and destinations in the Caribbean and Mexico. This is Andrea on another amazing cruise. I'm out.